Hey friends, welcome to Gizmofest, and today I'm going to review the OnePlus 6 handset. I've been using this phone for about 6 weeks now, and I feel this is the right time to share my honest opinion with you. Before we begin, show us your support by subscribing to our channel by clicking here. To the right of the screen, you can find all the technical specifications. The phone features always on display. It's not always on by default, but only when you pick it up it shows you certain information. The phone features face unlock feature, which is very fast. Let me try that again for you. See, it's very fast. It might not be as secure as the fingerprint scanner, but it's anyways good to have this feature. Even the fingerprint scanner unlocks the phone instantly. The feel of the phone is very good in the hand, and since it's a black phone, it's a fingerprint magnet. Thanks to the oleophobic coating, you can wipe off the fingerprints very easily. The good thing about the fingerprint scanner is that it is very scratch resistant. It will not scratch as easily as some of the Samsung's fingerprint scanners do. Now let's have a look on the overall design of the phone. On the front, it has a 6.28 inches AMOLED display. It has a notch which houses the LED light, the earpiece and the front camera. The phone has a very sturdy feel because of the metal and glass design. To the left it has the volume keys, and to the right side it has the power button and a 3-mode ring slider which you can set to ring, vibrate or mute. To the bottom, the phone has a speaker, a Type-C charging slot and a headphone jack, which is a rarity among handsets these days. There's nothing to the top except the secondary noise cancelling microphone. To the back you have the dual cameras, the dual LED flash, the fingerprint scanner, OnePlus branding, and on the bottom you can see designed by OnePlus. The OnePlus 6 has a 6.28 inch display of 19:9 aspect ratio. The display gets really bright up to a maximum brightness of 456 nits. The screen resolution is on the lower side. It's only Full HD that makes up for a pixel density of 402 ppi. Still, the screen is good enough for media consumption and watching videos. The colors on the OnePlus 6 are very saturated and very punchy, although you can change this by going to the settings. The screen calibration is set to default, although you can change it to sRGB DCI-P3 adaptive mode, or you can change the colors as per your custom preference. The OnePlus 6 has a battery capacity of 3300 mAh. This is the same capacity as of its predecessor. In my testing, I was getting 2 days of usage on a single charge. In a day, my typical usage is 2 hours of video playback, 1 hour of phone calls and clicking some pictures for about 10 minutes, an hour of social media like Instagram and Facebook. The standby performance of the phone is also good. In my opinion, battery life is one aspect where you should have no problem in your usage of OnePlus 6. The camera on the OnePlus 6 is loaded with features. To bring on different modes, you have to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You get a lot of options. For example, the portrait mode. The portrait mode was not available in the beginning on the front camera, but later OnePlus has given this feature via software update. The picture quality on OnePlus 6 is very good, and you can check the sample pictures by clicking on the eye icon. If you switch to the main camera, you also get the option to use 2x zoom. The video mode has every feature in the book: 1080p at 60 fps, 4K and 4K at 60 fps. The front camera can also shoot videos at 1080p and 720p. The OnePlus 6 is powered by Android 8.1 Oreo. As far as proprietary launchers go, OnePlus has always managed to offer a lot of functionality while maintaining a stock look. That hasn't changed on the OnePlus 6. OnePlus has always tried to offer the best performance possible, and for that they use the latest Qualcomm chipset. The base variant of the OnePlus 6 comes with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, and the higher end variant comes with a 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Both these variants are powered by the Snapdragon 845 chipset. So it's safe to say that the phone has plenty of storage and plenty of RAM to do your daily tasks with ease. The latest trend in 2018 is the use of gestures. Everyone is doing it. Apple did it with iPhone 10, Google is doing it on their Pixel, and so is OnePlus. It was introduced on the OnePlus 5T with a software update earlier this year and comes on the OnePlus 6 as well. Swipe up from the bottom center to go to the home screen. Swipe up and hold for recent tasks. Or swipe up from either side to go back. In terms of speaker quality and loudness, I would rate it as good. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay a little longer and you can see the case which comes with the OnePlus 6. It has a glossy finish on the back and a matte finish on the sides. The matte finish helps with the overall grip and handling of the phone. Overall the case is really nice. It also has 4 chins on all the sides, so even if you put the phone down on a table, the screen does not come directly in contact with the ground. That's it. See you in the next one.